Good morning, friends. This video is totally deal with the taking care, whole day taking care of a 3 months old GSD puppy. Now, if you are a late riser, please think before buying GSD puppy because he will make you wake at 6:30 a.m. in the morning, 5:30 to 6:30 because they are very early risers. Now, at the morning begins with a Royal Canin Maxi Starter. This Maxi Starter, uh, normally I when he's at the 48 days, I started Maxi Starter, and now he has gone to 3 months. So now I shift to Royal Canin Maxi Puppy. Now these two I mix well, and as because they are very good quality food. Normally 20 to 30 minutes before mixing, after mixing, I serve it to him. Now, if you take Royal Canin in a large size, I take 4 kg. I take 4 kg. It cost about, after putting a discount, 10%. It takes about normally 2,000 and 300 to 500. And Royal Canin Maxi Puppy, I take 1 kg. So it takes about nearly 930. Normally 850. So I mix them well and start to serve them. I prepare it with water and I left it for 20 to 25 minutes, let the water soaked it, and next I served it to my dog. Now, as we know that German Shepherd has a got problem at the behind
লাল
leg,
হয়েছে, তার মানে
so
ঠিক আছে না?
I supply extra calcium supplement, that is Calci Must, or you can go with Calci Cool also, an Himalayan product. Both of these products are very good. So I make as per the age, it should be 2.5 ml. It should be served both in the evening and in the afternoon also. Sorry, in the evening and in the morning. So I take that amount of 2.5 mm and 2.5 milliliter I take, and I just put it on the food. Now this food should be this food will be served to my dog, and he will take that food, and so the calcium, extra calcium which is required for the supplement will slowly go into their body. So that is my main motto of mixing it, and it is required. If you have a German Shepherd, you must provide this supplement at this age. You start at this age so that it will get the essential requirements of calcium. Obviously, it is present in Royal Canin. It is a very good dry food for dogs. But you have to provide additionally for the betterment of the joints of the dog. Now I should serve them. I should serve it to my dog. Now this will provide him the required amount of calcium which is required. Now he is running after me to take, but I have to give the command to sit because normally you have to make your make your dog obedience enough so that he should execute every of your orders. So now he is taking his food, and he likes and he likes very well that food, and that is 6:30 in the morning. So I told you before, you have to be very much take into account that if you are late riser, so you do not buy German Shepherd because they are quite early riser, and they require a lot of exercise also in the morning. I could not serve that because now it's raining outside tremendously, so I cannot take my roof, and so I served it in the house only, in my home, in my room only. Now you have to manage some time, at least 15 minutes a day, for combing him, because it will develop its coat properly. So you have to arrange some time. You have to keep some time to comb his coat daily, twice, in the morning and in the evening. So you have to plan accordingly your schedule if you want to go to your office. So you complete all this. You're giving breakfast, and the morning food, and then combing. And after that, you can go to the office, and after coming from the office, you can take care of all these things. I also do office, so it does not mean that if you want to keep a pet with yourself, so you cannot. It's a very hectic job, not at all. So they does not require too much of time. Only small amount of time that is required. You have to give it. This is required for the betterment of the coat, and you could see the sign of the coat which it develops. Although I'm telling it's a not long coat German Shepherd, because I lives in Calcutta and the weather is very humid over here. So adapting a long coat German Shepherd would ultimately cause them a very irritate them. So I always go for a short coat. There is nothing called coat called medium coat. So a medium coat or any other coat, I go for a short coat German Shepherd, so that he should be able to take care of the weather, and I also able to handle the coat. So so that is all. I am brushing it out, so that it helps the blood every time, and it nurtures the blood, and it will develop the coat more and more. So the more and more you brush, the better the coat it should be. Now after combing properly, I am providing the anti insects powder, so that insects which develop in the coat of the German Shepherd, and it causes a lot of problem in the skin of the German Shepherd. Now that powder have to be given after brushing. Now this powder should be provided thrice a week, not every day. Please remember that powder should be given thrice a week, and that powder is available in the form of different companies, but normally for a very good quality, Himalaya product will serve your purpose. And after combing, you have to give it, so that no insects, because it is a rainy time, it is a rainy season now, so there is a lot of problem of developing of insects in their coat. Now it is a good measure to stop the insects growth in their skin. So you have to give the insects coats everywhere, especially to the lower part which are in contact with the floor. So although it's a rainy season, I normally does not take him to outside. And also after completion of the vaccination, then only there is a possibility of taking him outside the house, because any dog at this time, if it even a scratch also, there may be a probability of having different kind of diseases. One of them rabies, which is a much more important. So still the vaccinations are not complete. Still anti-rabies and all these vaccinations are complete as suggested by the veteran. So I did not allow my dog to take outside my room, outside my house, sorry. And I used to take it in my roof. But the main problem is that it's rainy and it is all flooded with water, so it will destroy his coat. To stop that, I normally prefer to keep its room, though it makes it irritating, but still there is no option left for me to do anything else. Now at the noon time, I serve him with chicken and rice. Now if you provide him chicken and rice separately, he will eat the chicken and he will be not interested in taking the rice. So I have learned from the experience. I boil the chicken and rice together, and I have give only turmeric, which is known as holud. I have given only turmeric to it and boil the chicken and rice together, and after that I serve it to him. Now he will eat each and every bit of the rice.
Sit down.
There is no problem in it, and he should be enjoying while eating the food. Now see how much eager he is to eat the
sit down
chicken. But before that, what happens?
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
And the rice is left over. So I have learned that both of it should be boiled together, so that it should be so that it grabs each and every part of the rice, because rice is also required, also should be present during their diet. So it is an important thing. Now he is in a hurry, very hurry, to take his noon lunch. So he is enjoying the lunch. Okay. In the afternoon, I serve the same food, actually mixed with the calcium supplement, that is Royal Canin Maxi Starter, and mix it with Royal Canin Maxi Puppy, so that he is accustomed with the Maxi Puppy, because he will now shift slowly and slowly to the Royal Canin Maxi Puppy. So I just mix it and provide it with the calcium supplement, that is 2.5 ml, and it should that supplement should be provided twice a day. And one thing I have forgotten to tell, that I have provided before the morning, the first thing is leaf 52, which is very essential for the liver of your dog, because at the time of deworming, which you have to done every month, so it causes a lot of damage to the liver. To heal that, you have to provide leaf 52 every day in the morning, at least for 10 days to 15 days in a month. Now in the dinner time, I provide curd with rice. Now this is a very good thing. Actually, the curd normally develops its skin texture, and I mix the curd texture, and he prefers a lot this food.
Sit down.
And see, and he's very much used to take this food. He likes this food a lot.
Sit down. Sit
and
down.
this is the last
Good
meal
dog.
I used to provide
Prince, sit down.
at the night, and that ends
Prince, sit down, sit
of
down,
the
sit
food
down, sit down,
totally,
sit down.
Still from the morning, the food I provide to my GSD puppy. And see how beautifully he is taking that. He likes a lot this curd rice. But one thing, this curd rice should not be provided regularly, because it should be provided in an interval of one day, because there is a possibility of growing too much worm in their intestine. So when the curd rice is not provided, I usually serve the chicken rice in the night time. But as I told, that the curd is very good for the development of the skin texture. So for that reason, I provide that item in a regular interval of one day. This is the multivitamin I used to provide the dog, which is normally known as PETAP. It contains essential multivitamins which is required for the proper growth of the dog, and also it contains DHA, which helps for the proper growth of the muscles. And this ends of all the routine work I used to perform every day to my dog. Now after that, I once again give a comb of 15 minutes, not 5 minutes will do, and then I let him sleep. So that is the all day work I used to provide to my dog. It's not a very laborious process. So if you like my video, you please put a thumb mark to it. Thank you. Good night.